Hello there. Today I have my fisheye lens on my camera so I can show you pretty much the bottom half of Marduk. I brought him inside, that way the wood can dry out a bit before I paint it. Give it a nice protective coating, that way it is protected from the elements. Now that it's inside, you can actually see just the sheer scale of it. It's about 5 feet off the ground, just right here, and about 4-ish feet wide. So it's pretty big compared to a one-car garage. There's been some slight damage when I tried to pull it upright, but it's mostly just, some dirt and got some scratches, but it should be able to come out with a belt sander. Some more scratches right there. We've got the back and the decking on top. This isn't actually a dark wood, it's just some really old plywood that I got for free. Got our cross braces. And the far side, which was not really harmed at all when I tried to pull Marduk upright. Now again, probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble the torso pretty much as I can and just lift it up and plop it on top. And get a, washer for the central axle, aka the 5/8 inch threaded rod. That way the nut will not get pulled through that hole so easily. Pretty soon I'm going to be putting on the sway bar in between the two leg pylon knuckles. That way they will turn in unison just like it used to. And I will be installing a linear actuator underneath to power it, like in the previous videos, but I ordered actually a second one on Amazon that has a 15 centimeter extension length. So it's slightly shorter. I'll be using that for the steering, and I'll be using the 20 centimeter linear actuator to move the hips, or to rotate the torso relative to the hips. Just because moving all that mass with just mechanical means will be a real pain in the bum. And the car battery has power to spare. But that is all for today, so until next time, bye-bye.